Hi friend, where the time goes? Can you believe today I'm going to reveal our July monthly kit with you. We have been with you, hopefully a lot of you, for 6 months with this monthly planning kit, and every month I come on here to share with our next month design theme and what the content looks like. I really hope that you enjoy this journey and that you find joy and your creativity through this monthly planning kit. For the ones who don't know, is that every month we have a kit delivered to you, free shipping worldwide. You can choose between 3 months or 6 months, but every month is different and it's seasonal themed. So that means there's no holiday, or like you would say, oh, I don't celebrate this holiday, so none of that. We send it to you something around the season, like spring, summer, fall, winter, that type of thing. And this is our 7th month. That means we have delivered 6 months kit to you. And if you are on the 6 months, so this is the month where you do your renew, either 3 or 6. I hope you do 6 until the end of the year with us. There's so many new things are coming. This month is July. As you know, July is summer. Is a lot of people go on vacation. Last month we did La Dolce Vita summer, which is an Italian inspired summer. And today, like for July, we are going to somewhere also exotic. We are going bring you to Hawaii or tropical island. It's called the Island Daydreams. So this, as you can see, it's tropical themed, it's lush green, lots of beautiful vacation inspired art here. So let's take a look. I had so much fun every month to design those kits, and this month is somewhere that I really love, which is Hawaii. So let's take a look in the back, as you can tell from here. And then I see some of people, when they open, they just rip apart. But if you have those knives, if you cut them around it, maybe it's more neat, and you can also keep the box or the backing for other purpose. So that's how I do it. I just cut it. This kit released on the 15th. Every month we release on the 15th. So this will be June 15th. If you want to continue or subscribe, or brand new subscription, or you want to continue subscription, make sure to renew it. I'll put more detail down in the description how this works. Comes with this like beautiful this grass green pen. Every month you get a new pen. And then the monthly kit, as well as this PET. And it's free shipping worldwide. I think I cut the PET label off. Yeah, I did cut here. But this is a similar content as the stickers at what's in the kit. This is to provide you extra stickers for you to use on the months and years to come. But let's take a look at the main content. See, I did cut a little bit, gotta be more careful. But Island Daydreams. So as you can tell, it's the lush green, lush jewel tone color. Then we have those Hawaii inspired patterns, tropical pattern, postcard, island paradise found. Have you been to Hawaii? Let me know. Aloha. Even if you couldn't, but at least your journal can, right? The journal can bring your mind to there. Those are all functional stickers. You can plan your week, your month with our functional sticker. Then this is the transparent stickers, which feature individual transparent sticker. We got the girl with this stamps, big scrapbooking paper here, the wave, which is the ocean, tropical floral, beautiful girl on vacation with their floral dress, good vibes and high ties. Tiki bar, so cute with those like Hawaiian, native Hawaiian people, so pretty. The dolphin, postcard greeting from Hawaii, and then those are some washi tapes. Look how beautiful they are. Every month you get a brand new theme, which will bring you to a totally different vibe. It's so fun. Our whole team are so excited to design those things every month. That's a vellum, a floral pattern. This is a kind of collage. This is the ocean. This is the tropical plants. So pretty. Great for background, great for layering. Those are scrapbooking paper. You can use them like as different layers. You can put this one and then cut this a little, put on top. There's so many ways to use the vellum and the scrapbooking paper. So pretty. More tropical pattern, collage. And then that's our 19th page of the Island Daydreams. I love this one and the La Dolce Vita feel like vacation. These 2 months are on vacation. This whole vibe is just so tropical and perfect for July for your journal and planner. Pen is super smooth, black ink. If you have used other ones, we've been featuring different pen each month. And then we can take a look at this one, the Island Daydream. So pretty. The stamp, Island Daydream, the girls, postcard, tropical floral, ocean, dolphin, Hawaii view. So pretty. Tiki bar, lots of beautiful elements. And it's quite long, it's not over yet. So it's 1.5 meter repeat. So from here to here, as you can tell, super long, give you lots of different stickers to play with. And there's a total 3 repeats, total 5 meter and 1.5 meter repeat. So that's our July theme, which is Island Daydream. I hope you like it. You want to know more information, please check the caption down below. We're so excited to have you for the next 6 months of our journey. I can guarantee you will have so much fun because the fall and the winter are some of our best designs. And if you subscribe this month for choose the 6 months option, you will be with us until the end of the year. We are so excited to have you. Let's go on this journey together.